Okay, it's Friday night. What do you guys do for Friday night? Because we work on our garage makeover. Kids are playing. Mrs. Woodward Acres is gone. So we need to do some electrical. And hopefully if electrical gets done, we'll get this thing framed in today. That way tomorrow we can come in and clean the rest of this garage out and start actually making progress. So let's get started. Do you guys ever think maybe the gods are against you when you want to do a project? It looks like it took like 1 second to get from here when I was just on here. Do you know how long it took me to go get a hammer? Long enough that I should quit. So how many of you notice this is a double gang box? You're probably like, why do you need a double gang box in a small toilet room like that? I'll tell you why. One switch is going to be for the light, and the other switch, I'm going to switch an outlet up above here, and it's going to be a fan pointing directly at the toilet. So that's the best, like, I'm sitting here thinking like, my wife was like, let's make this nice. I'm like, you want nice? It'll be the nicest thing possible. A big industrial fan pointing directly at you when you're doing your business. So that's why we have a double gang box. The outlet box up. Now, the outlet box really could go anywhere. I don't know. Right there looks like a nice place for a fan. Look at there. Halfway done. No, not really. Far from halfway done, but okay, keep going. Dull. Do you guys know how to sharpen those auger bits? Is that even possible? So this is my source cable. Okay, I need to go from here now back over to that other outlet, and then from here up to the attic for to plug my light in. Let's do that now. So hey, question: when you guys have to get up tall, you guys all own ladders? I own ladders. I have step ladders, step stools, tall extension ladders, all of that stuff. Don't have any of that in this garage right now. Not sure where all that stuff is. This is what I'm going to use. Plastic chair. Am I alone? I can't be the only person in America who owns all these tools and never has any of them when I need it. Am I? Hey, if you don't know what you're doing, please call a licensed electrician. Don't listen to me. I obviously don't even know how to keep a camera straight. I need a screwdriver. You got a screwdriver? I own thousands of screwdrivers. Okay, maybe not 1,000, but like a lot of screwdrivers. Okay, I guess I'll go get a screwdriver. Yeah, so hey, we're off to the bathroom. Tomorrow, we make more progress. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell notifications. Bye!
Bye. Peace.